Friends, today we'll make a mixed color lemon that will have green and yellow mix. So let's take some green air clay. I'll make two, so estimating the amount, think this will be enough. Now it may need more, so I will take some more. Now seal the packet carefully, don't let the air in, it is necessary, otherwise you will lose the packet. Now I will take some yellow color also, yellow colored hair clay. It will not be much, a little bit less than the green one. I will try to keep the yellow color on the top side of the lemon. And now taking some brown color for the tree branch, for the branch on the top. Okay, let's seal the packet and now start with the green one and stretch them. As much you stretch them, it will be better, because there is a chemical. As much you squeeze them, it becomes more softer, more perfecter. Now let's squeeze the yellow one and the brown one too. Well, I have squeezed them all. Now go to the the green one, just a rough sizing. Now I will take some yellow and mix it something like this, and mix it with something like this. Please forgive me if I made mistakes, as I'm also a learner. Now I will make a circle, or I will try to make it round on my hand. You see the yellow one is there, and I will rub it with my hand again, something like that. It's one end will be bigger and another end will be smaller. So I'm trying to make the edges smaller. One end, the green end, is bigger. I'm trying to make it rounder. The green end is rounder, like this. Okay, the green end is now rounded like this, and the top edge is smaller, and I will make a small hole to hold the branch there with a toothpick. Toothpick is fine with this. Now the second one, I will make it rounder also, like this. Okay, I will make round by my hand. You see. Okay, the edges are smaller now. You see the green end is round already, and I will try to make the yellow one smaller, much more smaller, and correct it with my hand press. As you see, just be careful, don't make too much pressure, and let's use the toothpick and make a hole to hold the tree branches. Okay, now the brown colored yard clay will be used as tree branch, so I will make it two part. I put down one, and another one will be edged or sized like this. Just remember, at first you have to make a circle one, and then press one side with your hand. You see, I am making a round one, rough round, and one end is thin. Okay, one end will be thin and one end will be bigger, and I put it here and press it with the head of toothpick. Now using this toothpick to attach with it, you see, like this, it will make it look like much more realistic. You see, and now I will use the second one, and just a gentle press will make one end thinner and one end thicker, and I put it carefully on the hole, and now again with the toothpick I will attach them like this. Just be careful, don't press too much. Now there it is, our mix color lemon is there. Hope that you like it.